I'm so excited to get to stay at the W Dallas.
Is that a rooftop pool?
No, there's no way.
Oh my.
Let's go check this out.
Oh my God.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the W Dallas Victory.
One of only 2 W hotels in the great state of Texas. So today we're going to take you inside, check out the hotel, see what it has to offer, do a quick tour of the room, and then tell you what we like, don't like, and whether or not we recommend it. So let's check in and check it out.
Let's go. Pretty sweet. Guys, this is the living room, bar, and lounge. We got these cowboy-esque design and decor in here. It's a pretty nice little lounge, beautiful chandeliers, really nice view of the street. There's actually a little lounge outside too with really nice blue, lounge seats, outdoor seating. Let's check out the lobby. So there's no bartender here, but there is some coffee in the lobby. It's just 2 hot coffees, looks like decaf and regular.
There espresso?
No espresso, no cold brew, none of that. It's pretty bare bones, but it's good that it's there. It's nice it's there, it's free. Very Texas vibe here.
Yeah.
How you doing, dude?
And there's not much up here. It's just a bunch of like conference rooms. There's some kind of event going on, but there's one thing here.
Oh, now it's going. Get it.
Okay, so the only thing here on the second floor for most people is going to be wired. It's like a business center with some computers and places you can print boarding passes out, things like that. But nothing exciting other than that.
Only thing really else down here is a bunch of studios, like conference rooms, meeting rooms.
This floor is really for events.
Yeah.
But not much up here. All right, so now we checked out the second floor, we're going to go up to the room.
Since we checked in last night, we're going to have to go back in time to do that.
What's up, guys? So we're here at the W Dallas Victory, and I thought we'd start the tour out here at the 2-queen spectacular room with the bathroom. Nonetheless, we have this awesome rainhead shower here. It's unfortunately a shower curtain, which is not normal for a W. Normally they're nice glass doors. But here we've got a shower curtain, which is totally fine. Only downside there is a little less private. And that might be the theme you find here, is that there's not a lot of privacy. Then we get over here to the countertop space, a little limited again for the W. Now granted, this is a very basic room. This is not an upgraded suite or anything. So with that said, we have our normal Bliss amenities here, our face wash, our lotions, everything you can imagine. Still the W vibe, still nice and fun. It is a little bit dim in here. What I didn't like about the makeup side, not that I do makeup, but I do understand lighting, is that a stuck-on adhesive mirror is not the most ideal makeup situation, and that you probably, for you out there that like to do your makeup, you probably don't want to lean really far in to do your makeup and see what's going on here. Not the most ideal setup. And we've seen much better setups down in the W Los Angeles, other hotel properties. So if you're expecting that optimal going out prep vibe, this is gonna leave you missing a little bit. But that's okay, let's move on and check out the rest of the room. First, the closet, where you put your stuff and your guests don't wanna see it. Nice hanging hook here. We'll bore you with the details like this iron here, or, well, that was interesting. Or anything else going on. But it's a pretty old and dated looking safe, although you have a safe lock up your valuables. Very small. I would say that the properties in Asia and Europe, they're much bigger. I mean, they're compared to this, they're grand. All right, let's ignore that one and move on. But first, your privacy. That's all you got. So if you're in the shower and you have guests over, you better pull the curtain. And that's it. So what I missed and what I wish I would have done is put some kind of privacy in here. You want this area to be locked off, not that area. And I don't understand how they missed it, but they did. Okay, so over here we've got a little mix bar, some snacks, followed by a nice little mini bar, second queen size bed, and then we have a little stationery down here. Interesting, we have 2 drawers for you to unpack into, both diamond encrusted. We throw some gear down here, but basically you've got a nice luggage spot here. Moving on, you've got a lamp, followed by a sitting area that's kind of an awkward space overlooking the city. This is the city view here, but pretty much it's a pretty standard hotel room. There's nothing, I hate to say it, wow, there's nothing spectacular about it, although it's called the spectacular room. That's my version of it. Is it a nice room? Absolutely. Is it clean? Of course. It's a W. Doesn't miss on that. It's just not what I was expecting, and so I'm a little bit disappointed. But you know, there's a lot more to check out here at the property, the W Dallas Victory, so we'll sleep on it for tonight.
So we're on the 16th floor here where the rooftop pool is. We're actually underneath the 17th floor, 18th floor. Oh my God, dude, it's heated.
What?
It's actually heated.
Can't wait to swim.
It's about 50 degrees out here now, 50 to 60. It's pretty brisk. We're in hoodies, obviously. And I'm amped that the pool is literally heated. And got a shower over here. Pretty amazing.
Turn that on. Does it work?
No, doesn't work.
Okay.
Doesn't work.
Well, we're huge fans of the W brand in most locations. This one left us a little underwhelmed, mainly because the price point was rather high for what you're getting.
Very high.
At $569 for the night, It just feels like you want a little more. Not only that, we're expecting a little more Southern hospitality. Maybe not Southern hospitality specifically.
I mean,
just
any hospitality.
Yeah. And from their check-in last night, they didn't tell us what the Wi-Fi code was, how that worked. Restaurant recommendations. There's no W Insider that greeted us.
That's surprising you get an insider email.
Right. So there's a number of misses. I think that's where my disappointment lies. And really, we wanted to make an honest review of this hotel so you know what you're getting before you book it, in case you have to spend $570 or whatever it is for the night. That way you understand maybe whether or not this is worth it for you.
We're trying to take you to every W hotel worldwide, and we want to show you exactly what we're experiencing so you know which W you want to go to.
Every W? You know there's a lot, right?
Oh, we're going to all of them, dude. You better get a new SD card. Got a lot of 4K footage to put out.
Yeah, right. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below. Let us know what we can do better, what you want to see, how we can give you better coverage so you know exactly what you're getting before you get there. Follow us on Instagram at PointsPassport. And also, if you prefer to read nice written articles that this guy curates, check us out at thepointspassport.com. All right.
We're going to go jump in the pool. It's heated.
Woo!